Welcome back to Tech Talk AI. Let's get started. How to make viral funny YouTube shorts. Creating viral funny YouTube shorts is an exciting venture that can significantly boost your channel's visibility. Humor plays a crucial role in engaging audiences, as it not only entertains but also fosters a sense of connection. In this video, viewers will learn essential tips for crafting hilarious content that resonates with their target audience. We'll explore techniques for timing, delivery, and relatability, ensuring your shorts stand out in a crowded space. Additionally, we'll discuss how incorporating humor can lead to increased views and shares, amplifying your reach and growing your subscriber base. Get ready to unleash your creativity and make your mark in the world of YouTube Shorts. Understanding your audience. Identifying the target audience for your funny YouTube Shorts is essential for creating content that truly resonates. Start by researching demographics, such as age, interests, and cultural backgrounds, to tailor your humor effectively. Engaging with viewers through comments can provide valuable insights into their preferences and what makes them laugh. Don't hesitate to ask questions or encourage feedback to foster a sense of community. Additionally, analyzing trending topics can help you tap into current events or popular memes that align with your audience's sense of humor. By understanding who your viewers are, you can craft relatable and entertaining shorts that keep them coming back for more. Crafting the perfect script. Developing a concise and engaging script for your YouTube Shorts is key to capturing viewer attention. Keep the script short and punchy, ensuring every second counts in delivering your message. Incorporate relatable scenarios that evoke laughter, as these moments resonate with your audience and make them feel connected. Clever punchlines and unexpected twists are essential for comedic effect. They can turn an ordinary situation into something memorable and shareable. Aim for a structure that builds anticipation and delivers a satisfying payoff, keeping viewers entertained from start to finish. By focusing on these elements, you'll create a script that not only engages but also encourages viewers to share your content widely. Utilizing visual humor. Incorporating visual elements is crucial for enhancing the comedic aspect of your YouTube Shorts. Start by using props or costumes that add a humorous touch, as these can instantly elevate a scene and make it more engaging. Experimenting with facial expressions and body language is equally important. Exaggerated reactions can amplify the humor and draw viewers in. Additionally, incorporating funny sound effects or upbeat music can significantly enhance your jokes, creating a more immersive experience. These auditory elements can punctuate punchlines and add an extra layer of comedy. By blending these visual and auditory techniques, you'll create shorts that not only entertain but also leave a lasting impression on your audience. Editing for impact. Editing your video effectively is essential to maximize comedic timing and flow in your YouTube Shorts. Start by cutting unnecessary footage to keep the pace brisk. This ensures that every moment contributes to the humor and maintains viewer engagement. Adding text overlays can emphasize punchlines, making them stand out and enhancing the comedic effect. These visual cues can help reinforce the joke and provide an extra layer of entertainment. Additionally, using quick cuts and transitions can enhance comedic timing, allowing for rapid-fire delivery that keeps the audience laughing. By focusing on these editing techniques, you'll create a polished final product that captivates viewers and encourages them to share your content. Promoting your shorts. Sharing your funny YouTube Shorts is vital for reaching a wider audience and maximizing your impact. Start by utilizing social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to promote your content. These channels can help you tap into different demographics and attract new viewers. Engaging with communities that appreciate humor, such as comedy groups or meme pages, can also boost your visibility and create a supportive network. Additionally, encourage viewers to share your shorts with their friends and followers. Word of mouth can significantly increase your reach. By actively promoting your content and fostering community engagement, you'll enhance your chances of going viral and growing your YouTube channel. Conclusion. In summary, creating viral funny YouTube Shorts hinges on understanding your audience and crafting relatable humor that resonates with them. By researching demographics, engaging with viewers, and analyzing trending topics, you can tailor your content to evoke laughter. Remember to experiment with your own funny ideas, as creativity is key to standing out in a crowded space. As you develop your skills, don't hesitate to try new approaches and refine your comedic style. If you enjoyed this video and found the tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share for more engaging content. Together, We can explore the world of humor and create memorable shorts that entertain and connect with audiences everywhere.